Thank you. I'm stuck. I went to the bathroom, so now I'm here, helping her greet people. Hey guys! So today is a very special day. We are flying first class. First class with Japan Airlines. Let's go! Thank you. I'm stuck. I went to the bathroom, so now I'm here, helping her greet people. Arigato. Thank you. Arigato. We landed in Narita.
To Los Angeles, 1 day and night. Thank you very much.
Okay. What's amazing here in this lounge is they have our sushi chef, and we're gonna go ahead and check it out. Let's go!
This is a meat plate.
Meat
This is
plate.
chicken. And this is Chinese pork.
Found it!
Yeah, okay, thank you for cooperating. It's 6.
6.
Left side,
Left side?
and right side.
Alright. This is the shower room. That's my favorite. Japanese toilet. They have shampoo, body wash, conditioner. Feels good. Silky smooth. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Business, premium economy, economy class, first class to the left. Let's go. We're here and I'm really excited because Japan Airlines is known for the great customer service, and so far so good.
Japan Airlines. Arch coming up in Hamada.
Nice to meet you.
May I check your jacket and culture?
Oh, yes. It's too hot. He's funny.
Is it a professor or yeah?
He's a funny friend. You know?
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you so much.
We want to change facing
Pajama, so we can change it. Right in front of me is this leatherette folio, and inside you'll have the customs prepared for you, your Wi-Fi service, the shopping stuff, wine list, and then you have the menu. Actually, for Jal, they have Japanese menu and a Western menu for you to pick from.
Can you drink alcohol?
So,
She's allergic to alcohol.
We also have one more recommendation drink. That one is a no alcohol. We have like a blue tea.
Get that for her. Then the champagne that you're making recommended.
Yeah,
I'll have
salon
that
we
too.
have. Salon. Yes.
Alright, thank you.
And there's some like your amenity kit, and this one is a cosmetic kit.
Everything has been amazing so very excited. Alright, thank you. We'll start with this. First one, pocket tissue, lotion, eye mask, toothbrush, moisture mask, earplugs, comb, mouthwash. Oh, it's nice.
How much the This is present for you.
Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, to continue. The skincare essentials kit. Cleansing foam, hydrating lotion.
Happy anniversary!
Oh, thank you. It's morning now, and they surprised us with a really awesome gift. How to the pal?
These are like a sweet. It's like a shortcake, but
shortcake.
it's much for the like a Japanese taste.
Arigatou gozaimasu. See you guys again. Thank you, thank you. Nice to meet you, alright? Arigatou gozaimasu. That was it. We're here. Touchdown, USA.